KC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a beautiful day early in the day, but then it went south with the scattered storms. Darius Johnson getting us our weather shot earlier today when the cumulus were flat. But when they're flat, that means you're not going to see rain chances. But once you see that vertical growth going, which happened mid to late morning early this afternoon, that's when the scattered storms kick in. And unfortunately, less blue sky and more cloud cover as we head into the weekend and beyond for that matter. So let's take a look at the big picture. Got two weather influences going on close to home. One, an upper level trough and frontal boundary to our north and west that has produced very heavy rainfall. As we told you yesterday, we were expecting flooding across portions of Oklahoma into the Red River Valley, and that has certainly come to fruition. In fact, some tropical moisture coming all the way from the Pacific coming up into Texas and Oklahoma, adding to that rainfall. Then we have this upper level low here by say just west of Tampa. That's going to be moving westward, and that's going to help usher in moisture, enhance some thunderstorms out in the Gulf and more than likely into Louisiana. So a mishmash of weather going on, nothing organized, not expecting severe weather nor flooding, but a good chance of scattered, mainly daytime showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. And it's still pretty busy late this afternoon with a good scattering of activity over the last couple of hours. We continue to see some locally heavy downpours from Vermilion, probably moving into Acadia Parish, up into Evangeline Parish as well. Even some strong storms eastern of Voiles Parish, northern Point Coupee, where there was a lot of lightning. And you can see some activity moving through to the Bunkie area. West of Pine Prairies, we get into Evangeline Parish, mainly the western part of the parish, but some light rain and sprinkles over toward Ville Platte and then down to the Highway 190 corridor. And then we get into the coastal areas. Lake Arthur, Gaydon, seeing some heavy showers right around Jennings or just to the east. And then after a pretty good soaking in Abbeville, here comes another thunder shower, but this one looks to go on the west side of town. But the bottom line, if you're heading out on now to the football games, bring the rain gear. DTA still looking okay in the football games in Lafayette proper, but there's some showers around and about, so the rain gear is a must just in case. Big picture, you can see the storms firing up Texas, Oklahoma, western Louisiana into portions of Arkansas. There's that upper level low enhancing some storms in the Gulf, but no developments here nor any in the Caribbean for now. But we have a number of features out in the Atlantic that the National Hurricane Center is watching, and the one that interests me the most is the one coming off the African coast, south of the Cabo Verde Islands, or Cape Verde Islands, whichever way you want to pronounce it. There's many different ways, but we do think this system is going to go. National Hurricane Center giving it about a 60% chance of development over the next 5 days, so we'll watch that. Northeast Atlantic, even a better chance of something developing here, but it's non-tropical now, eventually maybe tropical, but it's going to sit out and spin in the Atlantic. Remnants of Florence, or just a little piece of Florence over here, is a swirl by Bermuda, no concern. And then a 40% chance of this little cell that's east of the Windward Islands developing. It looked a little bit better on satellite imagery, but it's going to be fighting upper level shear and dry air ahead of it, so no major concerns for the Gulf of Mexico. We'll keep an eye on the systems out in the Atlantic, but the bottom line, going into early October, still the threat of storms, Caribbean, Gulf of Mexico, so we'll keep an eye on that area beyond the next 10 to 14 days. Showers diminish tonight, but there could be a few overnight tonight. Tomorrow morning, scattered showers and storms. They'll be on and off at just about any time during the day into the afternoon, hopefully quieting down in time for the Cajun game. And then as we head into Sunday, much the same, a quiet start to the day, but a good scattering of storms coming in for the afternoon hours. Rain chance this weekend at 60%, localized heavy amounts here and there, but most of us see less than an inch of rainfall. Bigger rains will be off to our north and west, Waco, Dallas, up through perhaps portions of Arkansas through this weekend. So most showers ending early, a few left over overnight tonight. 76 the low. We'll keep rain chance at 20%, 60% chance of showers and storms just about at any time tomorrow. 88 the projected high. And then for the Raging Cajun game, we got to cheer for our coastal Carolina friends just because they came from a flood zone. But we'll be cheering for the Raging Cajuns to win the football game, that's for sure. Bring the rain gear for tailgating, kickoff showers ending, and warm and humid for the end of the game. Temperatures dropping into the upper 70s. Rain chances staying elevated. We see no change in the pattern through the next week to 10 days. Coming up tonight at 10, watch the show or set the DVR. We'll be talking about the long-range models and where the heck is that cool air, and maybe well into October before we see any.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks, Rob.
Still ahead on KG.